Balik pa rin ako. Balik.
This is my life, finding the rhythm. I close my eyes, I see the vision. With lifestyle, I only have the freedom. This is my life. I can be pleasure. We can live better. You're the trend, setting so let's live.
Good morning! Welcome to Multiplier Flow, the community that elevates your online business from clicks to cash flow. To start our presentation, let's begin with a prayer. Let's feel the presence of our Almighty. Father, the Son, and the Spirit.
Lord, thank you for this day, for the presence of everyone in this call. For once again, we are gathered and given the opportunity to appreciate life and your words. Forgive us for our shortcomings and cleanse our hearts as we learn and live your words and example. Father, bless our endeavors, especially today's meeting. May you guide us in our discussions, and may you enlighten our minds in every decision that we make. Give us your grace that we may effectively do our parts for your greater glory. All this we ask in Jesus' name. Amen.
Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Today is a blessed day filled with hope and excitement as we bring to you our MP3 Multiplier Pro Digital Health Opportunity Presentation and Experience. To begin, it is my honor and privilege to introduce you to our distinguished host. She is a public school teacher for 15 years. She is a 2019 nominee of Perseverance and Constancy Award of Lifestyles Philippines. She is an inspiring leader and passionate mentor. Help me welcome Executive Director Ms. Relea Calope. Take it away, Ma'am Leia.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all kung saang panig ka man sa mundo ngayon. Hello sa ating mga guests na nandito sa Zoom at sa mga nanonood sa FB Live. Welcome sa ating Multiplier Pro 3-Step System, Health Opportunity Presentation and Experience. I'm Relea Calope, a public school teacher before, but now an online business owner. Nag-resign na talaga ako sa DepEd. Doon kasi ang daming stress sa health, sa finances, sobrang grabing problema talaga. At dito ko lang nakita na pwede palang magbago ang takbo ng buhay ko. So simulan na natin kung paano magbago din ang buhay mo. In this special training, you're about to discover how we're making 6 to 7 digits income through Multiplier Pro 3-step system. Okay, now without stress and without large amount of overhead expenses that finally helped us experience and enjoy financial freedom. Okay, and our goal for this special training is to teach you how to start, build your online business, scale to the next level to generate 6 to 7 figures income in autopilot. Grabe, no? Autopilot, automatic na talaga. So what this webinar will cover? First, our Multiplier Pro 3-step system, our company, the products, and the compensation plan. Okay, now, we will also know today, malalaman mo kung paano i-copy and paste and plug and play system na to sa pag-build ng multi-million peso online business. So, why are people making the move on online? So, bakit tayo nag-online ngayon? Diba? Karamihan natin, Shopee, Lazada, lahat ng binibili natin nasa online. First, for convenience, and then accessibility. Easy to access to any information. Tapos maganda pa, time saving. Hindi na tayo kailangan pumunta ng tindahan. In one click sa ating mga cellphone, ay makakabili na tayo kahit ano. And ang pinakamaganda, home delivery. So, save time, save money, save effort talaga. Okay. Now ngayon, may sinabi si Bill Gates, hindi siya nagkakamali when he said this, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. So yan ang iisipin natin, di ba? So an automated business system is perfect for individuals with limited experience in operating an online business 24/7. So dapat may system. Okay. So gusto mo ba ng automated business system? Habang tulog o nagbabakasyon ka or may iba kang ginagawa, kumikita ka. Tapos, hindi mo na kailangan sumagot sa mga inquiries manually. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-pack ng parcels for deliveries. Hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-demo, presentation, or mag-live selling. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-rent ng tindahan o warehouse. Hindi mo na rin kailangan ng huge product inventories. At hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire ng mga empleyado. Pwede kang kumita habang nasa bahay at katabi mo ang mga anak mo o ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. So excited ka na ba? Type yes kung excited ka na. Excited ka bang matuto paano ka makaka-build at makaka-grow ng long-time profitable online business? Okay, so hindi na natin papatagalin pa to talk about our Multiplier Pro 3-step system. We are so honored to introduce to you one of our very inspiring mentors. She is a very credible person to talk about this system. 9 years bank loan manager siya before. Tapos 11 years entrepreneur. 2022 nominee of Highest Group Growth Award. 2013 winner of Global Rising Star Award, 2013 winner of Rising Star Award, and 2011 nominee of Rising Star Award. Grabe, no? And she is the founder of Income Multiplication Program and the founder of Multiplier Pro. So let's all welcome our very own Global Marketing Director, Ma'am Sheila Ruiz. Take it away, Ma'am She.
Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our Multiplier Pro 3-step system. I am so privileged to be sharing with you the screen, and thank you so much to our beautiful host, Ma'am Relea Colope, for that wonderful introduction. And I'd like to welcome everyone in the Zoom room as well as those watching sa FB Live natin. Wherever you are around the world, congratulations because you are given access sa special na webinar natin. Okay, so allow me to share with you my journey, my life's journey, before I present to you the Multiplier Pro 3-step system. So this is my story. I used to work as a bank loan manager for 9 years and walang savings, baon sa utang, kulang ang sweldo, hirap ang buhay. Akala ko when I ventured into traditional business, doon ako yayaman, doon ako makapag-travel, but then doon ako nagkasakit. So I had chronic fatigue, naging weak yung immune system ko. And that's why napunta ako sa opportunity na to, kagaya nyo na nakinig dito ngayon. So 11 years in traditional business ko, I had financial challenge, I was in deep mess, sobrang daming utang, 2 million yung utang ko. And then na-foreclose yung car ko kasi hindi ko na mabayaran kasi nagka-challenge yung operation ng business ko. But because of this opportunity, it's like night and day. From zero to hero, from nothing to something, I've made a turnaround in my life. And that's why naging passion ko talaga to i-share sa inyo. Kasi kung nabago yung buhay ko dito, I really believe na ikaw na nanonood ngayon, mababago din ang buhay mo dito. So now my life is talagang financially free, I'm financially comfortable, I am financially secure. Praise God for this opportunity. Nakatira kami sa slum area before, sa squatter area. Even if I was already working in a bank, pero squatter area pa rin kami. And pangarap ko talaga na ihaon yung family ko from that state of living. Ayokong lumaki yung mga pamangkin ko na kaawa-awa naman yung nila, kinalalakihan nila. So praise God, after 7 years in this business, I am able to provide my family. I gifted them with a brand new house na 3-story. Sobrang saya ko kasi yun pala yung hindi nababayaran ng pera. Yung naibigay mo yung pangarap mo at ang pangarap ng family mo. Priceless para sa akin. And now we have, our family has a resort here in Cebu City, and na-travel ko na sila, hindi na kami nag-aaway sa pera, mas peaceful and mas loving ang family na hindi issue yung pera. Gusto niyo yon? Type yes kung gusto mo din ng peaceful at loving na family. So, ang pinaka-memorable ko talaga when I travel is when I travel with my family and my loved ones. Precious ang memories kasi ako believer ako na ang pera pag nawala, you can always have it back. Pero ang moments, ang time that you get to spend with your loved ones, most especially, pag lumipas na yan, hindi mo na kayang ibalik. So, kailan pa tayo mag-spend time with our family? Dapat ngayon na buhay pa sila at na-enjoy pa nila at na-enjoy pa natin yung isa't isa. 'Di ba? So, yan, priceless para sa akin. When I met this opportunity, wala akong kotse. In fact, na-sheriff yung Toyota Vios ko. But with this opportunity, 6 months lang, I was able to acquire a brand new Toyota Innova. And now, I am driving one of my dream cars, a Mercedes-Benz. Palakpakan natin yung opportunity. Nangyari sa akin, mangyayari din sa'yo. Type 1 if you believe na mangyayari din sa'yo yung opportunity na to at itong future mo. I attained financial freedom not merely by saving money. Yes, taga-bangko ako, pero hindi ako believer sa pagsisave ng money. But I am a believer of multiplying income so that I can have multiple streams of income. Now, I have paper assets, I have portfolio assets, I have passive income from several properties I have acquired in the last 14 years in my career here. 5 lots in Liloan Golf and Leisure Estate. I was able to buy a prestigious subdivision lot in Prevea Hills, MOA. Lahat ng to na nakita nyo sa screen, I'm sharing this to you not to brag, but I want to inspire you na posible din kayo magkaroon ng multiple streams of passive income. Gamitin nyo lang tong opportunity na ipapakita ko sa inyo, and future mo to na magkaroon ka ng mga income multiplying assets. properties after properties, condominiums, townhouses, mountain resorts, lahat yan. Mangyayari din yan sa'yo. My secret, hindi ako magaling, hindi ako marunong sa sales, but I found mentors. Sila yung naging gabay sa akin, nagturo sa akin paano ako maging successful. And Bo Sanchez was really right, no, when he said getting a mentor is the shortcut to success. Kasi hindi ka na kailangan mag-trial and error, hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan yung mga mali ng mga naging successful. So shortcut siya kasi you will learn from the mistakes of the successful people. Yes or yes? So I'm forever grateful to my sponsor, Global Marketing Director Nera Quiros, for sharing to me this opportunity. Kasi dahil sa kanya, na-inspire ako sa buhay niya. Kaya ginawa ko din yung business. And to GMD Peng Mendoza, sobrang laki ng puso. Talagang tinulungan niya ako, tinuruan niya ako, minentor niya talaga ako paano mag-build ng strong organization. And my forever sister in Lifestyles, Global Marketing Director, Christine Kimpo, sobrang bait, sobrang napaka-caring na talagang naiisip ka pa niya sa dami-dami ng mini-mentor niya. Talagang isa ako sa talagang nasubaybayan niya, nagabayan niya para lumaki din yung organization ko. So yan ang beauty ng business na to. Hindi ka mag-iisa, may sasama, may magtuturo sa'yo, may gagabay sa'yo para maging successful ka rin sa business mo. So now we have a global team of mentors in Income Multiplier Pro, mentors that will show you step by step on how this can work for you. And when you become a part of our team, you'll also discover how you can make huge income online. And remember, you don't have to do any selling yourself. But before I proceed, gusto ko maging clear, maging authentic, maging transparent sa inyo na this special training is not for you if you are not struggling to pay the bills and wala ka ng utang. And this is not for you if you are already happy, kontento ka na sa lifestyle mo at na-achieve mo na ang financial freedom. At kung na-achieve mo man ang financial freedom, I'd like to personally congratulate you na isa ka sa mga rare na tao na ngayon nag-enjoy ng financial freedom. And this special training, hindi para sa iyo to if you are not ready to venture into a business and hindi ka ready maglabas ng capital. Kasi business itong seminar na na-attenan mo. And hindi rin to para sa iyo kung gusto mo lang mag-invest tapos kikita ka na wala kang gagawin. Kasi folks, we're not offering anything like that here. Kasi legit na online business ang pag-uusapan natin dito. And this is definitely for you if seryoso at gusto mo magsimula ng automated online business. Kung matagal mo nang gustong mag-business pero hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin at saan ka magsisimula, eto, para sa iyo to. And you want to be debt-free, you want to have additional income, you want to be debt-free kasi baka napagod ka na sa kakahabol ng pera para may ipambayad ka sa mga utang at obligasyon mo. And this is for you if you want to achieve financial freedom. Kung gusto mong malaman paano magkaroon ng successful na automated online business na kayang kumita ng 6 to 7 digits income per month, para sa iyo to. Okay, now let's talk about how you can make this happen. Excited ka na ba to make this happen? Type yes kung excited ka that you are ready to make this happen. And may tanong lang ako sa inyo. Sino sa inyo dito? Type 2 if ikaw to na may business ka na or sumubok ka ng mag-business. Type 2 nga kung ikaw yan. Tingnan natin. Yes? Okay. So, why do 90%? Sabi ni Christina, 2. Yes, Christina, di ba? Christina, why do 90% of the business fail? Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Any wild guess? Kasi of 3 major problems. May mga red flags. Pag na-encounter mo na yung red flags sa mga nagnegosante dyan, ito yung mga red flags or problems ng business. Number 1 is, maraming business owners hindi alam paano makabenta ng mas marami. Wala silang knowledge paano magpataas ng sales nila. So they are overwhelmed and they are stressed and hopeless. Na-try mo na bang mag-business, Christina, na pero konti lang ang bumibili? or kaya naman nakipag-price war ka na sa mga competitors mo, or namilit ka ng mga customer para lang may bumili sa'yo. So if that is your experience, ang problema mo is the product offer problem. Nag-try ka bang mag-business dati? Akala mo yayaman ka na. Akala mo makapag-travel ka na anytime at magkaroon ka na ng time freedom. Pero ang nangyari, na-burnout ka. Bakit? Na-stress ka. Bakit? Kasi kung dati 8 hours ka lang nag-work, nung mag-business ka, 14 to 16 hours ka nang nagtatrabaho. At kahit weekend, humahataw ka pa din sa negosyo mo. Akala mo may business ka, yes or yes? Pero ang totoo, your business owns you. Ang totoo, self-employed ka sa business mo na minsan sarili mo, hindi mo napapasweldo ng negosyo mo. Relate? Type? Ako, kung ikaw yan. So, kung yan ang business mo, yan ang na-encounter mo ngayon, yan ang mga simptomas sa business mo, may automation problem ka. Then, kung na-experience mo na ba na sa business, yung mas malaki pa yung lumalabas na pera kaysa sa pumapasok na pera. Ikaw ba yan, Christina? Ikaw ba yan, Jennifer Bay? Ikaw ba yan, Rochelle? Na mas malaki pa yung expenses, pero ang liit-liit ng ROI. So kung yan ang simptomas na nararamdaman mo ngayon, ang business mo may profitability problem. So these are the 3 red flags of the business na may problema. So what are the solutions? Ayan, kapag hindi mo kasi nasolusyonan ang 3 problema na yan, kahit ikaw pa ang pinaka-motivated, kahit ikaw pa ang pinaka-masipag, at kahit ikaw pa ang pinaka-determinado sa lahat, wala pa din mangyayari. Forever kang ma-stuck at ma-stress. Hindi ka makapag-grow ng business na kayang kumita ng 6 to 7 digits a month. At kahit kailan, hindi mo makakamit yung time and financial freedom na matagal mo nang gustong abutin. Pero, may good news ako para sa inyo. Gusto niyo yung good news? We've found the solution for you. We've found the solutions to all your problems. At ang magandang business is when you are giving solutions to the problems of the people. Bakit? Kasi your business is there to stay if you are giving solutions to problems. Kaya nga si Facebook is staying kasi it's giving solution to problems of the people na paano makapag-connect all over the world. Kaya nga si Grab is staying, 'di ba? Lumalaki ang business kasi it's giving solution to people regarding deliveries and mga orders. It makes the life of the consumer easier. So this is our solution, the Multiplier Pro 3-step system. Yes, you heard it right. 3-step system lang. Okay. So, what are these 3 steps? Number 1 is market our irresistible product offer. Di ba ang problema before is product offer? So ngayon na-address natin yan, market our irresistible product offer. You can market our irresistible product, services na ginawa namin. So ang mangyayari, makapag-start ka na ng online business mo na hindi mo kailangan bumili ng maraming inventories. Meron kaming ready to sell at highly profitable products sa health and wellness and income opportunity services. So, pwede kang kumita ng up to 40% wholesale profit from these products and services. Ang taas ng profit margin, di ba? At mababa ang iyong operating expenses. Bakit? Kasi home-based business ito at online ang business mo. So, di mo kailangan mag-hire ng mga employees at di mo kailangan mag-pack ng parcels for deliveries. Number 2, step 2 is use the Multiplier Pro automated system. Magagamit mo din ang Multiplier Pro automated business system namin para 90% of your business is running in autopilot. So let our system do the selling for you para makabenta ka na hindi ka nagpe-present or nagdi-demo. May income na pwedeng pumasok sa negosyo mo 24/7, non-stop. Meaning to say, autopilot yan. And this Multiplier Pro Automated Business System, this is a life-changing system designed to teach and help you multiply your income so you can finally earn more, achieve and enjoy financial freedom for you and your family. So ano ba itong automated business system mo, Ma'am Sheila? Well, this is the online system na ginawa namin, dinevelop namin, pinaghirapan namin, na kung saan it will help you generate customers, prospects, even strangers. It will help you generate leads. Ayan. So makikita nyo sa screen, maski wala kayo masyadong kakilala, well, the system will help you look for the leads. This system will help you convert strangers to become your customers. And this system with the funnels will help you automate your sales na hindi ka na sasagot, gigising madaling araw para sumagot lang sa chatbot. Hindi ka na magpe-present na miski busy ka sa work mo, wala kang time mag-present, pero in this opportunity, pwede kang may ginagawang iba, pero yung business mo, autopilot nga siya, nagra-run siya, the funnels will do the presentation for you. Are you excited? And this is kayang magagawa ng automated business system of Multiplier Pro. From the sales to product delivery, the Multiplier Pro automated business system will do it for you. Even pagsagot sa chatbot, ay grabe, robotic. Hindi mo mapapansin na nakaprogram yung pagsagot ng chatbot kasi feeling mo pag nag-reply sa'yo, feeling mo talagang para sa'yo yung reply na yon kasi hindi siya ordinary na chatbot lang ang ginagawa namin dito. Kaya excited ako na masubukan mo tong system namin para you can live a life na financially free and ma-enjoy mo rin yung time freedom. Okay, so let's go to step 3 of the 3-step system of Multiplier Pro. Step 3 is, ipapagamit din namin sa iyo ang Income Multiplier Booster na ginawa at sinet up namin para matulungan ka na ma-multiply yung income ng business na sisimulan mo. So this booster will help you earn repeat orders from your customers because we will help you in nurturing your customers through marketing campaign and follow-up para paulit-ulit silang bibili. So, ibig sabihin, less hassle on your part, less effort ang magiging business na sisimulan mo kapag ginamit mo tong MP3 step system. At dahil plug and play siya, turnkey business ang system natin, in just 3 days, it is already done for you. So after you sign up, within 3 days, matatanggap mo na yung ready-made na system na siya, personalized, na cater talaga for you. So upon turnover, it's ready for your use, and this will help you then generate your sales 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, non-stop yan in autopilot. And, ay, grabe. So, super excited. Ang daming guests natin na gustong mag-record. Yes, oo, ina-accept ko na yung recording nyo. And alam nyo ba, willable, ito. Yung business na to, this is willable to your family. Dahil nagawa namin ng mga business partners ko, I believe na magagawa mo rin ito. Mas madali ka din maging successful. Magbo-boom din ang business mo using this Multiplier Pro 3-step system. Pero we can only accept 10 to 15 partners this month. Gusto kasi namin matutukan ng mabuti yung mga bagong partners namin. So for this month, we are offering 10 to 15 slots for the Multiplier Pro 3-step system. Guys, this is totally different. This is a new innovation, and this is a game changer. And the good news is, you can use it too. Kahit hindi ka techie, kahit baguhan ka pa sa business, kahit cellphone lang ang gamit mo, you can operate your business. And kung gusto mo na magkaroon ng malaking breakthrough, gamitin mo itong Multiplier Pro 3-step system. So how does it work? Alam ko, excited na kayo. Gamitin itong 3-step system namin. Well, it works this way. Step 1, just share and advertise. Gumawa ka lang ng mga content, ng reels, ng posts, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, lahat ng social media gamitin mo. So you can do your marketing, organic, or pwede rin mag-ads ka. So just share and advertise. And our automated business system and delivery system will do the rest. From the selling system, yan, ang concern mo, wala kang kakilala, don't worry, we have funnels that will look for leads for you, prospects for you. Kung wala kang time, don't worry, we have funnels, will do the presentation for you. And our income multiplier booster will help you. Grabe, upsell, cross-sell, may mga deals, may mga packages tayo. You don't have to price cut. You don't have to lower your price. You just have to use the advanced marketing, sales, and campaigns na dinevelop namin para mas marami ka pang reorders. And para you will earn unlimited income. Gusto mo yon? Type me, ikaw yun, gusto mo ng unlimited income using an automated system. So anong gagawin mo? Rachel, Rochelle, automation is the key. So anong gagawin mo? Simple lang. Ito lang ang gagawin mo. Pag na-set up na yung system mo in 3 days, done for you na yan, all you have to do is just share and advertise. Yes, you heard it right. Just market your website, your funnels, and the rest will be taken care of by in autopilot by the income multiplier automated business system. So yan, pag ganyan ang ginawa mo, you will enjoy time and financial freedom. Hindi ka na raraket, hahataw hanggang madaling araw because the system will do the hataw for you. Yes or yes? Ang maganda, ang system hindi natutulog. Ang system hindi nagrereklamo. Ang system hindi napapagod. At ang system hindi nagrereklamo. At ang system na yan, hindi mo sweldoan. Yan ang maganda sa automated na system natin. So, why is the system very important? Ay, vital yan. Pag nag-operate ka ng business, kailangan may system. Because the system gives you the freedom. With the system, you get to enjoy your life. Pwede kang mag-travel, pwede kang maglaro. You can be with your loved ones, enjoying time and financial freedom. Habang ang business mo, it's running, it's growing, and generating more profits for you. It's producing for you. Excited ka na ba? So are you ready for the best part? Akala mo yun ang best part? Wait, there's a best part. We will let you use our system for free with either of these programs, Instant Direct program or Express Direct program. Kasi ang system na to will cost you around 154,000 if bibilin mo, kung gusto mo magpa-install. Pero the good news is, this month, we're opening to 10 to 15 slots kasi gusto namin matutukan yung mga business partners namin na whoever na kumuha ng Instant Direct or Express Direct program, libre na ibibigay namin yung automated business system of Multiplier Pro. And makinig ka sa mga next speakers kasi sila yung mag-explain how you can get it for free with the programs na mamimili ka lang. Okay? But wait, there's more. Hindi pa ako tapos. I have bonus for you. I feel so generous today. I'm giving you bonuses. Bonus number 1, may done for you service. Yes, you have the technology. Yes, may software ka na. Yes, may coaching ka na, may mentorship ka na. Pero mas gusto pa namin na ibigay sa iyo na ready-made na yung product, yung system na i-operate mo na lang. Hindi ka nasasakit yung ulo mo sa mga technicalities on how to set it up. Gusto mo ba yon? Type ako kung gusto mo yan. What else? I have bonus number 2 for you. Ano yan? FB ads setup. Kami na rin ang mag-set up ng FB account mo sa page mo para worry-free ka na. Alam mo ba, nag-aral ako ng FB ads. It cost me 15,000. Pero dito, ibibigay ko lang sa inyo na libre. Bonus number 3, may personal business center ka and this will help you grow and multiply your income even more. Pag nagpapagawa ka ng website ngayon, easily 15,000 yan. Pinakamura na yan, makikita mo sa market. Pero with the package natin, bibigay namin yan sa iyo na libre. And bonus number 4, you get access to our supportive online community, the Multiplier Pro. Marami kang values makukuha doon, mga trainings, mga free trainings na pwede mong i-apply sa anong current business na meron ka ngayon. So this is an exclusive community of income multipliers, positive attitude. We work as a team, coaches, may mentors who will conduct weekly live group trainings to help you generate up to 6 to 7 or even 8 figures of income in this program. So guys, to know more of these programs, abangan nyo ang mga susunod na speakers natin ha. Now, my question to you is, do you want us to help you guide and mentor you in multiplying your income? Para you get the automated MP3 step system where you can travel and spend more time with your family. May mga step-by-step training and consultations tayo dito ha. So may mga empowered coaches na maging hands-on sa inyo sa pag-guide at magtuturo sa iyo paano masigurado na magkaka-result ka gamit itong Multiplier Pro 3-step system in the next 30 to 90 days of your business. So I am done with my presentation. I hope na na-appreciate nyo itong automation na ginagawa namin. This is relatively new. This is a new innovation. And wait for the next speaker. Sila yung magtuturo sa iyo paano mo makuha itong libre. And to talk about the company and the products, we are honored to introduce to you our next speaker. She is a graduate of BS Architecture. Architect pala tong speaker natin from FEU. She's a former OFW for 17 years. And she's a senior curtain wall designer in an Australian private company. Friends, let's all welcome direct distributor, Jennifer Bai. Take it away, Ma'am Jen.
Thank you, our beautiful GMD Sheila. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, world. Let's talk about our company, Lifestyles. Lifestyle is an international corporation, so we are independent distributor. Founded in 1989 by Chairman, CEO, self-made millionaire David Deborah. Lifestyle is one of the leading health nutrition companies in the world, and the headquarters is in Toronto, Canada. Lifestyle has office worldwide and ships to more than 30 countries. 35 years na rin po ang Lifestyles. Ang tagal na, di ba? The products manufactured by Lifestyles are Intra, Nutria Plus, CardioLife, and FiberLife. 4 lang po. These are proven products, proven high demand, and sold millions of bottles worldwide. Due to the pollution and way of living today, puro instant, laging nakaupo sa computer, walang exercise, guilty, stress sa work, at stress walang pera, di ba relate? Madami nagkakasakit or health problems sa mga tao ngayon. And this is the solution to their problems. The first product, Intra, a pleasant tasting proprietary botanical beverages containing 23 botanical extracts. A unique formula exclusive to Lifestyle distributors, enjoyed by millions of satisfied customers worldwide. The formula is unchanged since 1992. Only Intra supports the body's 8 biological system. In one shot, bullseye agad. Tatamaan agad mga karamdaman nyo. Kaya yung 8 biological system in your body is addressed completely by Intra. According to Babmen nga, among supplements they have studied and surveyed, only Intra addresses our 8 biological system. Ganito ka-amazing ang Intra. All our products are premium quality, natural source products, regulated by Health Canada, measured by GMP, hazard analysis, and critical control point standards, carefully tested by independent ISO certified laboratories to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. Anyone can take Intra, kahit buntis, sanggol, or senior citizen pa yan, kasi safe at walang overdose. Second product is the Nutria Plus. It reduces inflammation caused by toxic effect of pollution and chemicals. Para ito sa mga bukol-bukol inside or outside pa yan ng body natin. Keep healthy cells healthy your entire life. This is cancer prevention proven by cancer survivors' testimonies. Anti-aging din kaya fab natin to mga beshies, kaya nakakabata na itsura. Nutria Plus works even better together when combined with Intra as more potent health protector. Yes, as my personal experience, proven nakakawala ng pimples. Third product is the CardioLife. CardioLife supports the health of arteries and promotes normal blood flow. Proper blood flow out in the body is the key to the long, healthy life. Para sa mga baradong ugat sa katawan at nakatulong din sa dad ko. Fourth product is the FiberLife. It's as easy as ABC. Appetite control prevents obesity. Maintain and control healthy body weight. B. Blood sugar levels fight diabetes. Support and regulates your blood sugar level. C. Cholesterol. Against heart disease, it lowers your C-reactive protein and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart, and cardiovascular disease. Inumin ito 15 to 30 minutes before meal with 250 ml or more water. This forms a gel into your tummy and flush out. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam kapag nailabas mo lahat ng mamantika toxin sa katawan, di ba? Sabi nga ng mga doktor, losing weight can help lower blood sugar levels. Let's talk about me muna. Tubong Batangas po at Laguna, but living now in Manila since college. I'm Jennifer Bay po pala. Just call me Jen. Yes, dati po akong OFW for almost 17 years. Ako po before I worked abroad, back 2004, I was payatot and madarming pimples or acne sa face, stress sa work, at limited in time to rest. Akala ko nung una, if I work abroad, dadami ang pera mo. Hindi pala. Dadami ang utang mo. Now, work from home with Lifestyle as my additional source of income. I joined Lifestyle last year lang, May 2023. At first, I just asked my cousin Lani, my upline, for detox program. Kasi gusto ko maging healthy while here in the Philippines. Dahil sa family history namin, my dad and 2 brothers have diabetes and high blood. I also have high blood because it runs in the family. Also, all types of cancer from both sides of my parents have died from it. I'm much aware of prevention is better than cure. Actually, I'm a user of Intra. I took lifestyle products massively in 6 months. I shared it also with my family. See the pictures of Jody and me in a year. Amazing talagang result ng pimples namin. Madami din akong sakit like sinusitis, almoranas. Walang pinipili si Alma Moreno. I have migraine also and nagpapalpitate po ako after drinking coffee. Pero nawala lahat after taking lifestyle products. Amazing, di ba? Flex ko din yung dad ko. He's 72 years old with diabetes. Hindi po siya mapapainom kahit anong gamot dahil ang dami na niya tinitake. Pero nung natikman yung introduce, binabalik-balikan. Napaka-supportive din niya sa akin. Ikinikwento niya sa kapitbahay namin at sa company niya how amazing the Intra. Lalo na nun masakit yung tuhod niya at nahirapan siya lumakad. Pinainom ko lang ng 4 capsules ng CardioLife. Kinabukasan nakalakad siya, napabilib talaga siya. At hanggang ngayon, araw-araw niya iniinom yung Intra at CardioLife. Amazing experience for an amazing product talaga. I-flex ko rin yung nephew ko, si Yowan, have allergic rhinitis and skin asthma before. After taking Intra, nawalang pangangati ng balat niya at hindi na siya madalas sipunin at tubuhin. Dito sa Lifestyles, I meet new friends. May mga free trainings, free products, may mga mentors at tuturuan ka. Basta teachable at willing to learn ka. These are some of my experience face-to-face and online STPs. Lilibutin mo ang mga iba-ibang lugar for trainings, natuto ka na, enjoy ka pang gumala. Our team, one group, one family. I am forever grateful and honored na kilala ko ang lifestyles through my cousin upline Lelani Bautista and GMD Sheila, our beautiful and inspiring mentor. San ka pa? If you want prosper, happy, and healthy life every day, sa lifestyle na. Enough muna about my story. You can share your stories sa amin next time. But before that, let's talk about compensation plan. We are honored to introduce to you our next speaker. She graduated as BS Education and licensed high school teacher. Winner of 2021 Highest Sponsor Award. A product of the product, di ba? A passionate and inspiring leader. San ka pa? Let's all welcome our beautiful and energetic Executive Director, Maria Teresa Cañas. Take it away, Maria Teresa.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen. Galing ng product natin. Super amazing. Palakpakan naman natin yung products natin. Grabe. So once again, welcome our dear guests and distributors alike present in the Zoom room and those who are watching live anywhere around the world. This presentation is solely for you. Yes. Totoo po, I am a licensed professional teacher for almost 10 years. I quit teaching, turned full-time mom, and now a full-time business owner dito sa Lifestyles. But ako napunta sa Lifestyles dahil po sa health issues ko last 2020 sa kasagsagan ng pandemya. I got probable breast cancer, 4 to 5 lumps on my left breast. I got saggy left breast, receding hairline, hormonal imbalance, and abrupt po na weight loss. So I took the Lifestyles products kasi we know we cannot support, our financial status cannot support the series of medications. So there is also no assurance na I will be healthy after those medications. So being practical and wise enough, we took the package that gives us the biggest discount and lots of free products since I need to take it massively and consistently. So I took the instant package. You heard it right, instant package po. What did I get in return? Ito ha, I will be very honest with you. This is really pure conviction, purely ano talaga ang totoo. In just 1 month of religiously and massively taking the products, I got back the healthier me. Yes. What's more, I got to share my story to people via social media. Grabe. Then these people became my users, then business partners, and now my extended families. Yan! I get to travel around Philippines anytime with my family and business partners. Sobra grabe, sobrang saya. Lalo pat libre. At pagbalik mo galing bakasyon, ay nako, may pera ka palin galing sa business mo. Yun kasi nga, power of social media na. Automated na lahat. So in addition, because of the trainings and the guidance, I was recognized as the winner for the 2021 highest sponsor. Hindi ko alam bakit, but I just shared and do the business as I was told to. So I was able to invest also a 7-seater car and a luxurious and exclusive 240 square meter lot within po sa Golfers Village in Liloan. So all of this because I have the mentorship and the guidance of our very own CEO, GMD Sheila Ruiz. Yes, totoo po. I am forever thankful for the people behind these phenomenal products, our very own licensed nutritionist ng Lifestyle, Sir Paul Kramer and the Deborah family, and of course the angels who work with them, the P6 GMDs. So in short, I am a product of the product itself. So when the product is good, it is best to share it to people. And by sharing it, we are not only helping them address their health concerns, but we are also already doing the business. So let's turn the use of these irresistible and highly profitable product into a successful business to achieve financial freedom. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, the richest people in the world look for and build network. Everyone else look for work. Totoo po yan. Hindi po ako nakapag-invest in my almost 10 years sa pagtuturo. Wala pa akong naipon kasi kulang pa po ang sahod. But in just a couple of months here, doing this network building, grabe ang investment. Sabi naman ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Totoo po, mamamatay na lang tayo, may baon pa tayong utang. How much more yung naiwan pa natin? Baon na baon talaga sa utang. Ayaw nating mangyari yan. So, dito sa MP3, tatanungin mo na lang naman yung sarili mo. What do you want to be and how much would you like to earn? Sa pagtatrabaho, nakapaskil na yan sa forehead natin kung magkano ang sasahurin natin, di ba? But here in MP3, dito mo makita nyo naman sa ladder of success. Ikaw ang magde-decide saan dyan ang gusto mong abutin at gusto mong kitain. Of course, hindi ka kikita ng 1 million kaagad at hindi mo simulan, di ba? So disclaimer lang, ang mga amount na nakita nyo ay isang representation or close to exact ang income ng bawat ladder na naakyat mo. Again, depende po yan kaano ka kasipag sa gusto mong maabot sa buhay. So paano magsimula? Magkano ba ang puhunan? Grabe. Very, very little lang po. Sa halagang 8,995, supposedly you will be paying 10,000 ha sa ganitong multiplier bundle. But since mag-multiplier bundle ka, automatic only 8,995. You can pay through credit card or cash or bank transfer. So ano bang makukuha mo? May initial discount ka na 20%, may worldwide business ka pa. Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, may pera ka pa rin dahil nga automated na lahat. May insurance ka pa na 1 million, accidental death insurance, 100,000 po na accidental medical reimbursement po. That's only for the Philippines. Hindi po yung iba sa ibang bansa. So if you're a member and you're in the Philippines and you have this insurance, well, good, because magagamit mo ito. Ano pa? You will have one sales funnel and domain name na free for 1 year. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Sheila kanina yung sales funnels natin, it will give you the customers na hindi na ikaw ang maghahanap. Sila mismo or ang funnel na mismo ang bibigay sa iyo ng mga leads na mga customers. Ano pa? Automated chat box. Grabe, kahit tulog ka, may magre-reply sa mga inquiries mo. May kita ka pa rin kahit tulog 24/7. May FB ad set ka na for 1 month at may free ka pa na subscription to Multiplier Pro Automated System. Grabe! Ito pa ha, kung gusto niyo talaga na bonggang tipid at super hassle-free na business, grab this promo natin. Sabi kanina ni Ma'am Sheila, if you are very attentive enough, itong tinatawag na Multiplier Automated System natin. Applicable po ito, first come first serve basis lang po, 10 to 15 people in each month. Kasi nga, sabi naman Sheila, we are willing and we are gonna be focusing on these business partners. Ito, for those who will grab the Instant Direct Program and the Express Direct Program, automatic libre ka na po. Ano ba itong Instant Direct Program and Express Direct Program? Iisa-isahin natin. Yung Instant Direct Program, ito yung kukuha ka or you will receive a 17 Better Together Kit. Yung isang Better Together Kit, ang laman po niyan, 2 Intrajuice, isang CardioLife, isang Fiber at isang Nutria Plus. Supposedly, you will be paying 142,000 only for that. Kaso may babayaran ka pa na 4,400 na company's handling fee plus the marketing tools, registration fee plus the insurance na 2,000. So more or less, hindi ka talaga aabot ka talaga ng mga 160 to 150 something plus. But since mag-i-instant ka, automatic 30% ka agad na discount. Grabe, no? So, magkano ang babayaran mo na lang? That's 106,360. Hindi lang yan kasi may free ka pa na Sham. You heard it right. Sham na bottles na free na intra that's worth 16,650 pesos. So, magkano ba ang profit and savings mo? That's 57,490. Grabe, ang laki. On your next purchase, you will enjoy the 40% discount. Ito, isa pa, Express Direct Program. Okay, ang Express Direct Program, may 9 na Better Together Kit ka, 75,600 plus the handling fee na 2,200 plus 2,000 pa na insurance. But since nag-express ka, automatic na mag-less 20% discount. So, magkano na lang ang babayaran mo? 64,680 pesos. plus my 5,550 ka. That's 3 bottles of Intra free. So magkano yung profit and savings mo for the Express? That's 18,670 pesos. Again, on your next purchase, you also enjoy the 40% discount. So i-compare natin. Saan ba tayo mas makakamura? Kung wais ka, practical ka, ito talaga, business-minded ka, kung ikaw dyan nakikinig, gusto mo maghahanap ng business, ito, tingnan mo yung return of investment natin. Compare natin ang instant or express. Saan tayo mas makakatipid? So instant, yung product mo 17 na Better Together Kit. Sa express, siyam lang. Yung less ng instant, 30. Bongga, grabe. Yung sa express, 20 lang. Pareho sila ng handling fee, pati yung insurance. Yung mababayaran mo sa instant is 106,360. Yung sa express, 64,680. Now, yung free pa lang, nakalululang 9 free bottles na po, na kung i-dispose mo yan, that's tumataginting na 16,200 pesos. Wala kang perang pinalabas, libre po yan. Yan sa instant. Pero sa express, 3 free pa din. That's 5,400. So, profit and savings mo sa instant 57,480. Sa express naman, 18,670. ROI, if business-minded ka, hindi mo tinitingnan yung pera o magkanong perang ipinalabas mo. Bagkos, titingnan mo ang perang babalik sa'yo. Yes, you heard it right. Yung babalik sa'yo. Yung magkano ba yung ROI ng instant? 54%. Sobra sa kalahati, di ba? Yung express naman, 29%. Maganda din, malaki rin. Pero kung titingnan niyo mabuti, very wise, dapat matalinaw kayo, titingnan mo mabuti saan ka makakapag-save ng malaki? Instant. Kaya nga ako, nag-instant ako because the product, there is no question on it. Now, instant and express, wala po silang differences when it comes to your next purchase kasi pareho silang 40% discount. Yun. Ano pang mas nakakaganda dito? Ito ha, power of duplication. In just 1 month of you joining, you will be earning 6-digit income. Totoo ba? Totoong-totoo kasi I'm one of the living proof po. Now, it starts from you, ikaw, na may mga kaibigan na sharean mo ng business opportunity, nag-instant din. Now, hindi po ito pairing system, hindi po ito scam, ito po tunay na network building. Pag ikaw may isang business partner, ikaw na isang business partner, automatic makakakuha ka po ng manager's check for 16,065 pesos. Kung paano, 6 na business partners ang nakuha mo in 1 month time. Ma'am, possible ba yan? Very possible. Bakit? Sa Facebook mo na yung friends mo, thousands, di ba? Ito pa kaya, 6 lang ang kailangan na business partners, di ba? So, posible po talaga. So, yung 6 mo, i-times mo ng 16,065. Magkano ba yung manager's check mo? 96,390. Now, hindi lang yan. Kasi, pwede mong i-pair yung silang 6. So, in that 6 business partners, i-pair mo, ilang pairs yan? 3. So, in each pair, you will also be receiving 9 intra free, di ba? Wala kang perang ipinalabas, free. Pabalik yan sa'yo. So, yung 27 na intra, i-dispose mo yan, that's 1,855 per bottle, you'll be earning 50,085 pesos. Now, i-add mo yan sa manager's check mo. Magkano bang total income mo in just 1 month? 146,475 pesos, di ba? 6-digit income ka agad. Sinong gusto niyan? Type dyan ako. Yes! Very possible. Hindi lang po yan ang makukuha mo. You will be also promoted to being an executive director at magmamanage ka, magtuturo ka, magme-mentor ka na rin ng tao. So, it's leveraging. It's network building. Yan yung sinasabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. Ito pa, grabe! The power of duplication, hindi lang 6-digit, Diyos mio, Marimar, 7-digit income po. Paano mangyayari? It starts within you. Look ka lang ng 6 na business builders mo. Itong 6, they also look for each 6 each. So magiging 36. Pagpalagay natin in 3 years time. In 3 years time, you will have a total members or business partners na 9,331. But let's be realistic, hindi po yan lahat tutuloy sa pagnenegosyo. Only 20% will continue doing the business. So, only 2 out of 10 buy products. That's 1,866 people. And if each of these 1,866 people order 3 better Together Kit per month, grabe, ang liit, ang konti. Yung 3 Better Together Kit, 6 lang po yan na introduce. 3 Nutria, 3 Fiber, 3 CardioLife. Now, magkano bang kikitain mo dyan? Nakalululang 7-digit income. That's 1,511,460 po per month. Sabi, hindi nga. Totoo. Kasi na-meet nyo na kanina pa lang sa simula ng video presentation natin yung isa sa mga nag-earn ng 7-digit income, yung CEO ng MP3 natin, si GMD Sheila Ruiz. At hindi lang siya ang nag-iisa. More than na po, 90 plus, almost 100 na GMDs na nag-earn ng 7-digit income. Yes, if nagawa nila, very much pwede nating gawin. Duplicable siya. Ika nga, it's a social media world, digital world na everything is possible. Grabe ang power ng technology. So, hindi po gawa-gawa namin yan. Totoong-totoo po. That's why we are very convicted to share this to you because this opportunity can also change your life as it changed mine. So, at this juncture, I know some of you are very eager to learn and to listen to more exciting and inspiring galing sa wala o ordinaryong tao lang kagaya natin na nagbago din ang buhay dahil sa business na to. Kaya let's listen to this inspiring leader who has transformed her life because of this opportunity. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome a public school teacher for 14 years, an online seller, a raketera, a product of the product as well, a dedicated leader, and an inspiration to many. Folks, help me welcome Executive Director Roxanne Escarpel. Take it away, Ma'am Roxanne.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Wawi. Hello, hello. Good morning, world. Good morning, everyone watching in our live. I'm Roxanne Escarpi, a public school teacher from Talisay City, Cebu. At the same time, isa din po akong raketera na kahit anong bagay ibinibinta para lang magkapera basta nasa mabuting paraan. Sa mga raketera, kaway-kaway. And you know what? I am excited to share my story as a Lifestyles Multiplier Pro. Actually, why I joined Lifestyles? Because of my family. Kasi gusto ko sila maging healthy. And I joined Lifestyles 2018 because of the health challenge of my husband. May fatty liver siya at saka high blood. Na-share sa akin ni Ma'am Relea yung products na Lifestyles na Intra for 2 years. Hindi po ako naniniwala. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili, wala na kaming sakit. At saka hindi naman ako believer ng supplement. Kasi iniisip ko sa sarili ko kasi kapag mag-supplement ako, pang matanda lang, which is hindi pala totoo. Dumating yung time na nagkasakit yung husband ko, kaya ako na ang nagtanong at pumili ni Ma'am Lea ng products, yung Intra. Napagaling talaga ng products, gumaling yung husband ko, pati yung 2 kong anak na nasa larawan dyan. May asthma silang 2, natulungan ng products, at saka yung dysmenorrhea ko po, na buwan-buwan, sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko siya na mapainom ng consistent yung husband ko. Kaya nag-attend ako ng presentation katulad nito. Nalaman ko na pwede palang maka-discount ng 40%. Bumili ako ng isang extras package katulad ng discuss ni Ma'am Wawi kanina, yung Instant at Express. Express yung pinili ko. At that time, wala akong pera pabili ng express package. 1.5 na lang yung naiwan ng sahod ko as a teacher. Pero inisip ko na mas mahirap ang ma-ospital. Kaya naghanap ako ng paraan. Nag-loan po ako sa bank at natulungan din, grabe, nag-benefits yung health namin, the whole family. Tapos, pati na rin yung financial income ko. Very amazing talaga ng products at business. Sabi nga, pag maganda yung products, ay super gandang i-business, di ba? With Lifestyles, ang dami kong napuntahan, no? Una, yung mga achievements ko dito, yung travels talaga. Kasi nung una, yung mukha ko ay sa Talisay lang, no? So, with Lifestyles, ang dami kong naging local travels. At dito ko rin nakuha yung my first international travel in Thailand. And luckily, hindi lang travels. Dito ko rin nagkaroon ng brand new car, which is the Plaques Toyota Red Pro. So nung una, nag-start kami sa Lifestyles, nagmotorsiklo lang kami ng husband ko. Pero ngayon, we're doing the lifestyle business po with our brand new car. So dito, hindi hadlang kung hindi ka marunong sa business. Kasi nung una, hindi ako talaga marunong sa business. Kasi dito sa lifestyles, ang daming paraan. Maraming paraan na ma-enhance mo yung knowledge sa opportunity. At ang dami ding mga training sa pwede mong mapag-aralan. May maraming tao na gustong tumulong sa iyo para ikaw ay matuto. Kaya decision mo na lang ang kulang para mag-start ka. Above all, nagpapasalamat po ako sa blessings na ibinigay ni Lord sa akin. Siguro kung hindi ako nag-lifestyles, hindi ko naranasan yung travels international. Walang local travels at walang brand new car. At thankful po talaga ako sa tulong ng aking angel upline, ED6QLPL Ma'am Rayleigh Calope, at sa aming maganda at napakabait na Global Marketing Director, GMD Sheila Ruiz. For all the guests, grab your express or instant package right now because health is our greatest wealth. For that, thank you so much and good morning, everyone. And now, we have come to the best part. We are honored for the presence of our closing speaker this morning. She is a full-time lifestylers, a product of the products. A private employee for 14 years, katulad niya rin ako, no? 2021 winner of Rising Star of Multiplier Pro. A 2021 Multiplier Pro nominee highest sponsor. 2021 nominee highest personal group volume of Multiplier Pro. A passionate leader and inspiring mentor. Help me welcome National Marketing Director, Ma'am Pamela Pabalulu. Take it away, Ma'am Pam.
Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Pamela Pabololot, all the way from Cagayan de Oro City. As you can see in the photo, isa po akong private employee for the past 14 years. Manager po ng isang insurance company. Meron pong, wala po talagang money, no? Alam nyo na yung karugtong nun. Working for more than a decade took my time and energy. Umaalis ng bahay at umuuwi, tulog po ang anak. Alam nyo, nagsispend time lang po ako ng time sa family ko during weekends at pag nagli-leave. Also, me and my husband, long distance po kami for the past years po talaga. LDR po talaga. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Alam nyo bakit? On my next photo, you can really differentiate the changes na nangyari po sa akin, no? 'Di ba? Lalong gumaganda, hindi ka lang healthy, no, healthy din yung bulsa mo. And alam nyo ba na this life-changing opportunity, dito ko po talaga na-realize na grabe po yung precious time talaga na nagbibigay ko sa family ko. Sabi nga sa isang quote, 'di ba? If you don't risk anything, you risk even more. Kaya nag-risk talaga ako at nag-resign ako sa aking secure and full-time na trabaho. Yes, narinig nyo na po kanina gaano ka-phenomenal yung mga product. Hindi na po natin pag-uusapan ng marami yon, but I am very proud because this is my story. I am a product of the product. 4 years ago po, yung anak ko is my severe asthma. Labas-pasok po siya sa hospital. 5 months admit, 10 months admit. Until yung last admission niya, that was January 2020, we decided talaga na ipatake siya ng intra na para lang sa kanya. 4 years had passed po, alam nyo, yung anak po namin, grabe, 4 years, wala na pong synthetic medication, walang asthma, walang pneumonia, walang vitamins, only intra. Grabe, palakpakan naman natin gaano kaganda talaga yung products because it is very safe for all ages and it's all natural. Aside dyan, meron pa akong isang pinaka-blockbuster talaga na testimony. Alam nyo ba, na-challenge po kami 2019 kasi na-stroke po yung tatay ko. And hindi po siya ordinary stroke kasi half-body cerebrovascular disease, right side ischemic stroke. Paralyzed po siya, bedridden, hindi po siya makapagsalita, hindi po din niya kami kilala. Alam nyo, I already, alam ko na po yung product. Automatic po, tinawagan ko si GMD Sheila. Hindi pa po, ano lang po ako noon, user lang po ako. Bumili ako ng 3 bote at isang Nutria. Pinalaklak po namin yung tatay ko. And alam nyo ba, 30 days of taking the product massively, Nakatayo po yung tatay ko, hindi po siya tumatakbo ha. Slowly po, bumabalik po yung energy niya. And grabe, alam nyo ba, magfa 5 years na this year, after that very challenging event in our family, yung tatay ko po ngayon, wala po siyang synthetic na mga gamot. Yang nakikita nyo sa screen, wala na pong tinitake ang tatay ko na clopidogrel, losartan, no, atorvas, lahat wala na po. Only lifestyles product, zero medication. Nakakalakad na po na konti yung tatay ko, hindi po siya bedridden, nakakakain, nakakatayo, and the best of all, bumalik po ang memory ng tatay ko. Grabe po ka-phenomenal yung product. And if you love yourself, you will just take the product, di ba? But if you love your family, you will definitely do the business. That is the reason why I pursued lifestyles. It is because, no, it's because na hindi lang po tayo yung nakakatake, pati po yung mga extended family natin. Sabi nga sa Galatians, no, chapter 6, verse 10, therefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to all people, especially to those who belong to the family of believers. Kaya po dito sa lifestyles po, hindi na po namin tinitipid talaga ang product. All of our family are free of synthetic medication, no hospitalization, and all of us are happily and very healthy taking the product. Ano pa ang pinakamaganda? Hindi lang yung product, ang pinaka-the best dyan, yung opportunity. Narinig nyo na kanina sa napakaganda natin na founder, si GMD Sheila Ruiz, gaano ka-exciting yung business. Diba? Ang init-init, hindi ka nalalabas, no? Dito ka na lang sa bahay, no? Basta may internet ka, may laptop ka, may cellphone ba? Okay na, okay na. So alam nyo ba, doing the life sales opportunity, grabe po talaga yung blessing. Dati we buy things through home credit or credit card, nag-i-installment, pero alam nyo, 3 years pa lang po akong nagdudo ng business, ang rami na pong nabago sa buhay ko. Yang nakikita nyo po sa front, sa photos, lahat po yan, hindi po yung inutang. Cash po yan. And 3 years of doing the business, my God, never in my life did I imagine na makaka-invest po ako dito ng property. Because when I was employed before, isa lang po talaga yung napundar ko at akala ko doon lang ako. Dito pala, napakagaling ng opportunity kasi matutupad talaga yung mga pangarap mo. I was able to invest a lot in Aboiti, Cebu. I was able to invest a farm lot in Claveria here in Misamis Oriental. I was able to invest last year a high-end condominium in Mandaue for investment that is worth 4 million. Grabe, no? Palakpakan naman natin yung opportunity. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo ngayon, no? Hindi po yan photos lang. Kung gusto nyo, sasamahan po namin kayo para pumunta sa mga properties namin. And all of this will never be possible kung wala tayong mentor. Yan po yung shinare kanina ng ating founder na si GMD Sheila Ruiz dito sa MP3 na a mentor and a coach is very vital talaga in any businesses, especially kung gusto mo talagang magnegosyo. I am forever grateful to her because grabe talaga yung pag-believe niya sa akin and pag-guide niya sa akin, especially during pandemic na online lang po kami. When I started this business, I had zero knowledge in this kind of industry. But because we have a mentor, we have a proven system, our success rate is very high. Dito po, di lang ang products ang magaling or ang business model, no? Kasi po, pag nag-venture ka po talaga ng business, importante po talaga ang isang mentor or ang isang coach. We are blessed because here in Lifestyles, we are mentored 24/7. Ano pa, no? Alam ko may hinihintay kayo. Yan, diba? Travel for free. Grabe. I was employed 14 years. Na-expire na lang po yung passport ko, hindi po natatakan. I am so blessed with this opportunity. Kasi po, 1 year pa lang po ako of doing the business, I was able to avail a free travel po in Singapore and in Malaysia. And last year po, yung dream country ko, napuntahan ko na talaga, Japan, di ba? Arigato gozaimasu, grabe. I'm very blessed talaga with this team, especially to GMD Sheila, for allowing us to experience things na I never imagined in my life na ma-experience ko po. Alam nyo, travel take us out of our comfort zone and inspire us to see, says and try new things. Napakalaki pala ng mundo, kaya huwag tayong magmukmo kung saan lang tayo. When we travel, we engage with different people, no, to embrace adventure as they come, and to share new and meaningful experiences with friends and of course our loved ones, no? Excuse me, grabe, nakaka-excite. And I hope po na na-inspire po kayo sa story namin, sa story ko. And I will leave you with this quote, no? We are not a product of our circumstances. So kung lugmok ka ngayon, you are not a product of that, no? We are the product of our decisions. So grab your instant and and start your business na talaga. Sorry, nabiloogan ako. So ito po, isipin niyo po to. Where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue what you're currently doing? Ako po, kung employed lang po ako ngayon, ganyan na po yung itsura ko. Very stressed talaga. And imagine lang po talaga if you are willing to make a change, no? Kasi dito po talaga sa opportunity na to, it's not that you will buy the package, but it's your decision if you want to change your life. Kasi po, lahat po ng gagawin natin ay nasa desisyon po natin, no? And ano ba yung mangyayari sa buhay mo if you will make that decision? You have more time to spend with your family and friends. Yan po talaga ang number one na na-appreciate ko sa opportunity na to because this is isa po talaga sa na-deprive ko sa family ko. Trabaho ako ng trabaho, hindi ko namalayan lumalaki na pala yung anak ko. Trabaho ako ng trabaho, hindi ko namamalayan tumataas na pala ang edad ko. I was not able to enjoy life, 'di ba? But here po talaga, you will have more time with your family. What else? What else, no? Yan yung gusto natin, 'di ba? Alam nyo, if there is a problem in your life that you want to fix, alam nyo ba kung ano dapat ang priority nyo? No? No, guess, no, i-guess mo, i-guess mo Ma'am Rochelle, i-guess mo Ma'am Roxanne, no? Number one talaga is your finances. And ito na po yung opportunity na pinapakita namin talaga na dapat nyong talagang tutukan at dapat nyo talagang wag nang pag-isipan kasi nakalatag na po talaga ang lahat. So, hindi ka na mag-worry kang Judith at kang Juna kasi everyday may income ka. Kung gumala ka, pag uwi mo sa inyo, may income ka pa rin. Diba? Monthly, may check po kami dito and definitely, we are enjoying talaga. And slowly, no, we are on the road of financial freedom. What else? Ano pa ang gusto nyo? Yan, no? Freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Kung nagtratrabaho po tayo, hindi po natin pwede piliin ang boss natin. Kung bugnutin ang boss natin, magiging bugnutin din tayo. Hindi po natin pwede piliin yung magiging katrabaho natin. Kaya nga, di ba, sabi nga nila, surround yourself with the people na you want to be. If you surround yourself sa mga tao na negative ka. Kung positive ka. And dito sa lifestyles, positive, happy, mga dreamers, sus, grabe, no? You will be amazed with this opportunity. What else, no? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ito talaga ang pinaka-bucket list ko, no? And slowly talaga, I was able to experience this. A life without utang. No, pataas ng mga paa dyan sa walang utang, di ba? Na-discuss kanina ni GMD Sheila na hindi to para sa'yo kung financially okay ka na. Pero kung marami kang utang, parang sa'yo to talaga. No? Nakita nyo naman dyan sa photo, di ba? Napaka-sweet nila. Kasi wala na silang iniisip na mga utang. No? Napakaganda niya. No? Wala kang, matutulog ka ng mahimbing sa gabi at gigising ka ng maganda. Kasi wala kang iniisip na babayarin. Ano pa? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Take vacation as often as you like. You can go sa Japan during winter. You can go to Maldives and experience the blue water. You can go to Europe, no, eat the best pasta, my God, no, dito po talaga, nakita nyo na po kanina yung mga different talaga ng mga testimony, real testimony po talaga ng mga real people with MP3. So, I will leave you with this quote. Isipin nyo na lang po, no, life is a choice. Your life today is the result of the attitude and choices you made in the past. Kung tatalikod po kayo, tignan nyo yung likod nyo. Nakikita nyo ba yung past nyo? Nasa isip nyo lang yan. So tapos na yan, no? Huwag nyo nang balikan. No, yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, it will actually make us or it will break us. So dito po talaga, moving forward, we are looking at the future because Your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices that you make today. No? So, decision talaga yan. No? So, kami talaga, nagdesisyon kami. We've already seen people who succeed in this opportunity. And I know that one of you who are guests here, who are listening to this opportunity, no, you will be also one of us, diba? So, thank you so much, no, for listening to our presentation this morning. And now I will give you back to our awesome host, Ma'am Relea Calope. Take it away, ma'am. To God be all the glory.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ma'am Pam. Thank you so much din sa lahat ng mga speakers natin. GMD Sheila, Ma'am Jennifer, Ma'am Teresa, Ma'am Roxanne. And we are so inspired with your stories and we really learned a lot from you guys. Gusto ko na ring mag-sign up uli. At sa mga guests natin, maraming salamat. Umabot kayo hanggang dulo. Congratulations! Nandyan ka pa rin. So it means gusto mo talagang magbago yung buhay mo at matupad yung mga pangarap mo. So, for those people na nandito pa, get involved now. Complete a distributor application form. Ask the person who sent you this link, who invited you here, and kulitin mo kung paano magsisimula. Let's go and multiply. Decide now para ma-avail mo pa ang limited slot sa automated business system namin, di ba? Go na! Let's have our free panel and automation set up in 3 days, ha? 3 days lang, di ba? So, join now. So, kung simulan mo ngayon, mag-sign up ka ngayon in 3 days sa Wednesday, may system ka na. Full blast na, di ba? Okay? So, thank you so much. So, before we end our presentation, let's give thanks for a successful webinar and offer our closing prayer. For the Catholics, you may make the sign of a cross.
Let us feel the presence of our Almighty Creator through the gift of life that we continue to enjoy. Through the past, present, and the future that makes life wonderful. Omnipotence, we trust your omnipresence and we believe in your loving heart. Grant that our hearts be filled with love, our heads be nurtured with wisdom, and our hands be molded to care as we journey through this life. May your blessing be showered upon our lives so that we may fulfill our mission to serve our life purpose, and so we may achieve our vision of becoming close to you. Make me an instrument of your love, a messenger of your peace, a steward of your creations, and a gift to humanity. Grant our wishes so that through them we become more equipped to serve you and others. Guide us, be with us, enlighten our minds, touch our hearts, and guide our hands. Bless our loved ones, our families, our world. All these we ask through our loving Creator. In the silence of our hearts, let us pray for our personal intentions. Amen.
Okay, thank you. Go for your dreams. Thank you so much, everyone.